Welcome to BTFL. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and it is day 30 of the 30-day jump rope challenge. We made it. Alright, we made it. We got 325 jumps today, and it's a wrap. You know what I mean? That's it. Alright, so I'm going to put the whole challenge in the description of this video so you can do it. Follow along, go back, follow the playlist. If you did this challenge, comment, let me know how you like it, how you feeling after this, and are you going to continue jump roping? And I think after this, I'm definitely going to stick with the jump roping. Actually, I've been wanting to get better with jump roping anyway, but let's get into it. 325 jumps. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Now let's work.